going on YouTube, man? It's your boy No Love Man. Look, y'all, I'm back with another lit video. All right, y'all, man. So as y'all can see, we had a beautiful.
Hold on, y'all. Did it sound low to you? Hold on, y'all. That thing sounds low as heck. Damn sure don't sound low for them. Good grief. I had to rip out this. All right, there we go.
Ladies, today we're doing a pop the least attractive balloon. So y'all wave to the people. You know what I'm saying? Say hey. Y'all look very nice today. I got close to 10 guys back there. We're gonna see if you guys can find your match. If you guys get this video to 10K likes, I will do another one. But guys will hold the balloons next time. What's going on, bro? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Mar.
you.
You know what I'm saying? What's your name, bro?
Kobe.
Kobe?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Boy, Kobe looks stronger than the mountain, boy.
Yeah.
You from here?
Hold on, this is the lineup. This is the lineup. Yeah, I don't think any guy's taking any of these chicks home to meet moms, man. I tell you, boy, them knees look like they done been through some things. Yeah, you might. All right. Bodysuits are automatic, no.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do? Tell the ladies
Not
a little
for
bit about
everybody.
yourself.
Well, I like to work out.
Yeah.
That's about it.
That's about it. Okay, how you feel about the ladies so far? Like looking at them,
They all look beautiful.
they look beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, so ladies, based off his attraction to you guys, like, would you guys pop your balloon? Anybody else? All right, cool. You popped your balloon. Well, why did you pop?
I like your outfit. You just not my type.
said-
You
you
got some
said-
nice teeth though.
You said that.
Stop popping that gum. I know, man.
He's just not your type. But you like his outfit. Okay. All right. Why'd you pop?
The fact that he say all he like to do is work out, and this is just too baby for me.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Why'd you pop?
I don't like going to the gym, so he don't do nothing else but that.
I feel like you do more.
I do a lot more.
So say something else, cause they think you just a gym rat. You know what I'm saying?
I got a trucking company. I got a career job.
Yeah.
I'm a firefighter.
Yeah.
I've been doing that for 6 years. I'm 24. I've been doing that since 18.
Why you ain't
I
saying
think he
none
was
of
just
that?
in the moment. He was just in the
You
moment.
know, but
So what? You want a balloon back?
But
Bring me another balloon. Hold on, this one.
Birds.
What you about to say?
Birds, man. Birds, all birds. I would have told none. Don't get your damn balloon back. Do not get your damn balloon back. The dude asked him, what do he like to do? He said, the gym, he like to work out, he like to take care of himself. They popped on. I don't really be in the gym like that. So I'm curious. That boy already done started. Like, when you get with someone, I'm pretty sure they're going to be doing things that you probably aren't used to. You know, but if it's for the better of your health that's going to benefit you, I don't understand, like, what's an issue with that?
Oh.
But
Well, that curious question should have been a rhetorical question, because I'm not in the gym like that, but I like to do something, even if it's just take a walk, or I want a bike, but I don't have one yet. I don't know, and then I guess that their mind was definitely closed, because they was just, all he does is go to the gym. Like, people don't just get up and go to the gym. They have to do other stuff to live, do life. So,
and the guy seemed like he's a pretty decent catch, man. Seems like a decent guy. He takes care of himself. He said something about being a firefighter, and he has his own trucking business. He said he's been doing this since he was 18,
it's
and he's 24.
or 25.
24 or 25. Like, come on, man. See?
I can't have no faces helping my job.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay. Anybody else want a balloon? My boy is more than a gym rat. He a firefighter. He got a trucking company. Why did you keep your balloon?
Cool. I like the tats.
You like his what?
Tats.
The tats. Okay. Why'd you keep it?
He look nice. I like his outfit. I like the tattoos.
Appreciate it.
He look good, but I got a question.
Yeah.
Do you have kids?
I got fun.
How old?
5.
Okay. Y'all know.
Yeah.
You said your son was 9?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Oh. So you guys pop basically because of the kid. You got any questions for the ladies that pop?
No.
Do Do you have children? I would absolutely love to hear the answer to that question. You got kids?
Oh, not really. I ain't got no questions for y'all.
What's your ideal relationship like? You know what I'm saying? You came on the show, you know what I'm saying? Like, so when it comes down to like your dating life, like how do you want it to be? Or tell us a little bit about, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, first of all, I meet a woman. First of all, see if I like her.
Yeah.
I'm attracted to her. She beautiful. And then we go from there. I see what she got going on, where her head at. I ain't too hard to please.
All right, so we have 2 ladies left. We can go down there, you know what I'm saying? See if they have any questions, some more questions. So you asked about kids. Do you have any questions?
What's your sign?
I'm a Leo.
I don't know. And you got a son.
Yeah, I got a son. Yeah, you can pop your balloon. It's all good. I ain't tripping. Go ahead.
I don't know. I'm gonna see what else is out there.
You got any more questions?
No.
So tell them a little bit about yourself.
25. I own a car rental.
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Tay.
Okay, nice to meet you.
I'm a Leo.
Me too. Yeah.
No kids. Dog mom.
Okay.
2 businesses. I'm trying to get in the gym, so.
The gym where you want to be at. It's a beautiful place to be.
Now listen, she almost threw me off with the dog mom. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that mess. But the fact that she's open to go to the gym, that chest tattoo is crazy. Oh my goodness, I didn't even see that. That you got a chest tat, man. That right there, I'm sorry, that's a huge red flag to me. I don't know what it is about that. That stuff just looks so tacky. Ugh. But at least she is open to going to the gym. Come on, man.
Do you mind? Do y'all mind matching what's going on?
Yeah, we can match. I mean, I seen pop up balloon.
Okay,
we
you
can
know
match.
what I'm saying? You can drop your balloon, y'all clap it up. Come down here, you know what I'm saying? Okay, you done found love already. Okay.
Hold on, y'all. My bad. Let me get this up off the screen and take it. My bad. Let me get this up off the screen. Y'all know where y'all at. I'm gonna be where I'm at. All right, so we already got our first match. What do you think about this? Do you think this is gonna be like a little decent match? What do you think?
I mean, it could be. I don't know too much. Well, gym. Want to go to the gym? That's something in common. She's really about that. Dog mom, being a parent, she probably should ask about the relationship there. What she said she did?
I just heard she said she had 2 businesses. That's all I got 2 businesses.
It's not a bad one.
So far, so good, man. This wasn't a bad pick. But I'm gonna be honest. Out of all the rest of the other young ladies, based on the responses that I can remember, I think that his best chance by far was with this young lady right here. You know, she does seem like she has a little bit of intelligence. She didn't pop her balloon on first sight. You know what I mean? An open mind is what it's all about, especially in the dating market now. Like, you're not going to get everything that you want, especially when you be a little bit more realistic about where you come in on these ranking scales. That's all I'm saying. I'm leaving. Because, I mean, that's literally the issue and the problem that I see in the dating market now. Everybody wants to overrank themselves and they think that they should be getting more, or they think that they qualify for somebody when they really don't. You know, either a certain type of guy or a certain type of girl. If you haven't been getting these type of people in your life, and I mean somebody that's considering you, you know, to be in a relationship like long term, then I mean, again, we got to be a little bit more realistic about this thing.
Hey, so tell me your name.
Kobe. Yeah.
Kobe.
What country?
Yeah.
What part of Georgia are you from?
I'm from the city.
Atlanta?
I just got an accent.
Oh, great.
Country accent.
You sound like Xavier Leggetti.
Yeah, but I say that. I get that a lot.
Whatever his name is.
Okay, we'll hope.
Who?
Not a clue.
That must be another country thing. Something.
Hopefully y'all, I'm taking the mic from you, bro. Hopefully y'all go on another date. I'm gonna clap it up for y'all. Audience, clap it up for y'all one more time. Y'all go ahead and get off.
I'm gonna be fit next time y'all see me.
What y'all saying over here?
He's actually handsome.
Very handsome. He's very handsome. I just don't do no kids.
Yeah.
Kids. You pop pretty fast.
He's just one of my type.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No kids.
That's who he is.
Them be the main ones right there. Them be the main ones, boy. Did he have like their IG or something up here?
No.
when they talking. Oh, so we gonna get to the bottom of it. We're gonna get to the bottom of it.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.